Right. So when Edge comes on, it goes through uh, these four steps. You can see here if uh, these are the four actually steps or stages you can say the vEdge goes through. When vEdge boots up, it contacts the vBond. vBond is the first point of contact of the vEdge. It contacts the vBond, and vBond IP address we configure manually on the CLI, and we manually install the root certificate as well. So using this root certificate, actually this vEdge authenticates itself to vBond, and the vBond already has this list that we have provided via those uh, Cisco portal. Once the vEdge presents its token number and the serial number for its chases, then the vBond actually checks in the list if this ID is present, and then it authenticates this vEdge successfully using the root certificate that we have installed. And once it's authenticated, it builds this DTLS tunnel. And this tunnel is the transit tunnel between vEdge and vBonds. And then it provides the IP address for vManage and vSmart so that vEdge can contact and build, establish DTLS tunnel between itself and the vManage and vSmart to build management plane and the control plane. These all these controllers, uh, vBond, vManage, vSmart, they already have mutually authenticated itself uh, to each other and created this DTLS tunnel, which is the secure tunnel. And over the secure tunnels, they communicate to each other. And once this IP address is given to vSmart, to vManage, vBond informs all the other vSmart and vManage that this serial number, a device with this serial number is wanted to join the fabric. And once in step two, when the vEdge try to contact vManage to build the management plane between vEdge and vManage. Uh, so using the same root certificate, vManage authenticates this vEdge and builds the DTLS tunnel. Uh, it basically just checks the root certificate and the organization name that we have configured. Uh, so once this tunnel is built, uh, then via the vManage, we can send the configuration file using those templates that we're gonna create on the vManage. Uh, so once the configuration file is sent to the vEdge, then the step three is the building the control plane. So control plane is where vEdge authenticate itself with vSmart and builds this secure tunnel, and then using the OMP overlay management protocol, actually it exchanges the routes between all the sites and the vSmart. Uh, Normally, this tunnels between vSmart and vEdge, they are built on all of the uh, available transports. All of the transports. Let's say in our lab we have MPLS and we have internet. So on all these available transport, uh, v, vEdge will build these two tunnels with the vSmart. And then finally in stage four, uh, once we build the service VPNs between these WAN edges, uh, then all of these sites they create the BFT session between each other and build share the adjacencies each other uh, to securely uh, exchange the data traffic. So basically, this is where the data plan is built up. So all of these is the management plan, control plan, and vBond is the orchestration. Uh, these are the basically four steps that every vEdge goes through and join the overlay fabric. The default behavior of the vEdge, whenever it in onboards, it actually creates uh, a secure transit DTLS tunnel control connection between the vBond across all the WAN transports during the onboarding process, and then secure permanent DTLS control connection with the vSmart over all the available transports, and finally the secure BFT session between WAN edges and devices uh, that are part of the same overlay network across all the available WAN transports. I hope this helps you to understand some of the SD-WAN fabric details. And now let's move on to our next step where we need to uh, create these templates so that we can configure all of these WAN edges and build these service VPN and all the other configuration that we need to do. All of these configuration, and also we need to build this um, second transport for this lab.